Years ago, Nansun sailed traveled along the canal to the world. Now, cultural and artistic ways from all over the globe converge here, and today I'm a part of this journey. Ready to explore? Follow me. The ripples of the canal reflect traces of the Silk Road from centuries past. The stone-paved paths lead deep into history. The reflection of the Western-style dome in the water mirrors the light of the world. From tradition to modernity, from China to the world, the river of art has never ceased to flow. This year, the 2025 Nanxun International Children Culture and Art Season stirred new ripples in this ancient town once again.
So many things to see. Let me think, where should I start? I know. Hello, Mrs. Dawn.
嗨，你好，欢迎来到南浔古镇。今年南浔国际亲子文化艺术节3.0内容特别丰富。周末白天有艺术市集、非遗体验，还有人气爆棚的古镇巡游。晚上呢，还有各类精彩的演出。今年南浔国际亲子文化艺术季特别打造草坪艺游现场 Land of Fun Art 运河大草坪开放式舞台，让艺术真正走进城市生活。连续3个周末6场演出。古镇夜空下上演世界名家先锋探索与潮流舞台的多元盛宴。
Wow, so many activities. Is there anything that families and kids really shouldn't miss?
比如互动装置、街头小剧场，每一个你都可以参与，也能感受创意和艺术的魅力。
Which one do you recommend the most?
当然是古镇巡游啦。每逢周末，古镇会化身为热闹的艺术嘉年华，水陆联动，让艺术和生活融为一体。
What's that? It looks so lively.
古镇巡游开始了，快去感受一下吧。
Fantastic! I'm heading there right now.
等等，快把这本艺术季护照带上。可以通过非遗体验、剧目观演、艺术市集等活动收集印章，可以兑换景点门票、文创产品或现金演出机会。
It's so gorgeous. Okay, let's go. Go, 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 go! Walking through the streets and alleys in the ancient town, every step brings encounters with art and surprises. Each stop tells a different story. I heard that by visiting 6 cultural landmarks, you can collect Nansun imprints and even exchange it for the same day show ticket. So, let's go! Though lotus and wisteria are out of the season, every plant and tree here exudes the gentle warmth of Zhejiang. Blending Chinese and Western style, it has a subtle but rich flavor. Known as the first library of Zhejiang, this place stands as a symbol of Nansun's culture and spirit. True wealth lies not in gold or silver, but in the inheritance of culture and wisdom. A Western-style ballroom and a magical glass that never gathers dust in 100 years. So the aesthetic sense of Nansun people 100 years ago was already this international. Wow, look at this red house. The Baroque-style brick building tells us a story about the first Nansun tycoons. Each imported tile carries a tale about how this town first opened its eyes to the world. The neat courtyard, the antique and elegant windows, every corner feels alive with history. Walking here, it is as if a living history is unfolding before your eyes. This place, known by locals as Bank's Family Garden, was once a standout among the Genius Garden. Through the Immersive Night to Nansun Night Banquet, it now interweaves 1,000-years-old Song Dynasty charm with Nansun cultural heritage. Each stop reveals a piece of history as well as being an art of life. And now that I've collected all the stamps, it's time to exchange it for my show ticket. It's so beautiful here. Mrs. Dawn, what show are you watching today?
岭南风情遇见江南水乡，一场融合歌舞与戏剧的视听盛宴即将上演。来自广州歌舞剧院的艺术家们将以舞剧选段、群舞、独唱、合唱等多元形式，呈现岭南文化的独特魅力。
The echoes of music and the flow of light bring new vitality to the ancient town. Here, art is no longer just performance on stage, but flows through bridges, alleys, and every smiling face. History and modernity intertwine here, and the grace of the East harmonizes with the elegance of the West in every moment. In Nanxun, art never stands still. It resonates with the world in its own way, and the world will hear its echo.
I had such a great time today. The art market, the performances, every moment was full of wonder. The beauty of Nansun is not just in art, but in the experience itself. So come and join us.